Dr. Jacques Despitri of SoHo-MD at the Bullpen at the JP Morgan Healthcare Conference. I'm here with Anna Argo from CytoTheraX. Nice to have you here.
Nice to be here. Thanks for having me.
So could you tell us what got you here?
Absolutely. So what got me here was Christian Engstrom, the founder of the Bullpen. He invited myself and our company, CytoTheraX, to be involved in the first Bullpen last year for the JP Morgan 2023. And we've stayed involved with the Bullpen at the Bio Conference last year in Boston, as well as here again in 2024 JPM.
Very cool. And before you got to CytoTheraX, what was your path there?
Absolutely. So I spent the first 10 years of my career in nonprofit fundraising. Most recently, in the biggest chunk of that 10 years was at children's hospitals and clinics in Minnesota.
Nice.
I spent it there doing fundraising for major gifts and some specific clinical care areas at the hospital. One of the programs I fundraised for was a gene therapy program that was a partnership with the Mayo Clinic, which is some of the basis for the technology that was spun into CytoTheraX out of Mayo and Children's. So I did my business school while I was at Children's and hopped over to the corporate side in 2020.
Very cool. And then with CytoTheraX, so what's the origin of that and what does it do?
Yeah, absolutely. So the technology, as I mentioned, was founded at the Mayo Clinic. We have a bioincubator that's proprietary that is licensed specifically to us to expand primary human hepatocytes or liver cells.
Okay.
These primary human hepatocytes are the functional cell type of the liver and are used currently in only research settings because of a limited supply that's available. So it's used in toxicology and hepatotoxicity, metabolic studies, and drug development, as well as disease-specific research. So we're looking to build this platform technology to create a better supply or a more consistent supply for the research market, and then to enable therapeutics in the liver disease space.
Wow. And what are you working on now?
Absolutely. So we're working on finalizing our proof of concept with the bioincubator and getting it to a place where it can expand readily available, consistent, high quality primary human hepatocytes. And we're building out our therapeutic programs. The first is another technology license out of the Mayo Clinic. It is a bioartificial liver or liver assist device, kind of analogous to a kidney dialysis machine, but for the liver.
That's
so
amazing.
it's removes toxins from a patient who is in liver failure and bridges their liver either to spontaneous recovery, as the liver is a regenerative organ, or to transplant.
That's amazing. And so you guys are heading that up and working on this.
We are, yes. It is a partly owned subsidiary of CytoTheraX that we're building that technology in. But then we also have another technology that we acquired last year from a company out in San Francisco that is a universal hepatocyte for cell transplantation. The goal with that is to address rare disease indications initially, things like PKU and hemophilia B, for a curative therapy for those diseases with hepatocyte transplantation.
That's amazing work. And what's your ask of the Bullpen community?
Absolutely. So like a lot of people, we're here at JPM this week and at the Bullpen fundraising. We're raising a $45 million Series A currently to fund the final runway needed to get commercial with our research grade product, and then to get through phase 1-2 clinicals on our liver assist device, and to get us through the preclinical on the hepatocyte transplant program. So looking for fundraising dollars, looking for partners in this space from a research and toxicology standpoint. Today's Tools Day at the Bullpen, and so we very much are a tool for the research community, and then looking also to find partners for future disease indications with our hepatocyte transplant program.
That's pretty incredible work. And if you want to learn more about Anna Argo and CytoTheraX, you can go to bullpen.ventures. The link in the bio will be